to my channel, A Life in High Definition. How are we all doing? Hope you're right. Welcome back to my face again. Here I am again, doing another unboxing, doing all my unboxings today because today I'm on it. I'm okay. My morphine levels are good. Still reduced, but good. Not dying, which is great. Well, you know, dying the same as everyone's dying a little bit every day, but generally I'm living. 99.9% living today, which is great. So we are here for BettyBox. Will I be living after I open this box? That is a good question, because you know, BettyBox and Pink Parcel, I explained last month, check out those videos if you need to see the full details, have been having some issues. And people who get these boxes, especially people who get both of them, have been like, look at these old products, this is from last year, this is not very good value. So I've stopped making that noise now. Okay. So I'm really hoping, oh, it's tangled in my hair, that's not a good start. I'm really hoping that this month's box is better. They said that we should start to see changes from March. It is March. So hopefully. If you don't know what BettyBox is, it's a teen period subscription box. Inside has all your monthly necessaries plus some beauty goodies, some little nibbly treat that you can eat. And some months this box has been really awesome, like have really good value things, really good products in. Some months, not so much. And as it's like £13 a month, we still need it to be good. We need our pennies to count, right? We don't have overflowing coin. I'm hoping that this will be okay. The best thing for me about BettyBox is that the Betty pads are made for smaller sized people. So, you know, you're a different size when you're a 30-year-old adult to when you were a 13-year-old child. So they make their pads, and their pads, at least last time I checked, were made from like bamboo or something. So like recyclable, good use of product. And I don't know why they don't do it in the normal Pink Parcel, but they don't. So you can get pads that are for like 11 to 12-year-olds and 13 to 14 or something like that, which is what I do. And obviously I don't use them because I am. You wouldn't believe it that I'm out of my teens, would you? So young, so youthful. But yes, I am a little older than this box is designed for. So I donate mine to my local food bank. Every month the box comes in plastic packaging, says that it can be delivered through your letterbox, but never is. I'm always getting it via my postman or post lady, depending. We've got the must box, which is pads. We always have a little bag with pads that you can put in your bag, your desk, your whatever. And then we have the wants. This is what we're interested in. And, okay. It says, on a Pink Parcel thing, we are out of stock of pad 4, but we supplied you with pad 3. I'm pretty sure that I haven't received an email about this. Maybe I have, but I don't think I have. Is that acceptable? I don't know. If you really needed a certain size and you got a different size, would you be a bit gutted? This isn't a good start, is it? No. And don't you have Betty cards? Anyway, right, let's chuck that down there. This is feeling awfully, awfully light. Okay. Oh dear. Well, obviously they're still clearing out their closet and using old things. These bands from Bandzee, they are hair bands that are supposed to not make your hair crinkle, and they're supposed to be better for your hair. You can't see it, or you can just see it now. Look, here comes my balloon. This is my balloon for my anniversary last year. My 10-year anniversary with my husband. And it's just floating around the house like a little ghost. It's been on the ceiling for a long time, but it's now sinking to about this level. Quite impressive, isn't it, that the helium has lasted from November last year till now. Might just join us now and again, we'll see. Anyway, so these bands, supposed to not crinkle your hair, and these ones say women bring voters into the world, equality, the time is now, votes for women, because this was all about celebrating when when we got the vote. And this was part of a Pink Parcel thing last year, you know, because it was 2018 and it was 100 years since women got the vote. Honestly, me and this balloon. Get over there. If you have Pink Parcel, you would know that you've already had these, that they're an old product. Still fine, they still work, but it's not cool to see these just randomly stuffed in here. How Shall I just leave it there? Right, because it doesn't seem to want to go away. However, if you had not had these, you might think, oh, that's nice. Talking about women voters, you might be a bit suspect that it's celebrating 1918 to 2018 because, of course, it's 2019. But, you know, it might be okay. So I have to think about this with my brain as if I was only receiving this box, because it's not their fault that I get both, is it? But still, it's a bit sneaky. I don't like it. This is kind of okay because I love space masks. I know not everybody can use these, but I love them. And if you follow the lady who does space masks on Instagram, don't you just love her? I love her. I think she's fab. Like, she has such a great life. She refers to all her children by numbers, which I think is awesome, giving your children protection but still letting us in on their lives. It's brilliant. She just really amuses me, and I think she makes a good product, so that is really important. She's been getting her pouches into dentists. Can you imagine lying in the dentist chair, feeling stressed, and then having one of these on your eyes? It might actually help. If you've never had one before, this is a self-heating eye mask which will transport you to another dimension, relieving tiredness, eye strain and many other earthly tensions. The warmth comes alive as soon as you open it, so make sure you're fully reclined and ready for liftoff. Within a couple of minutes, you'll feel your space mask heat up as the oxygen molecules in the atmosphere cuddle up to the mask's iron particles in a natural heat exchange. I find them so soothing. I'll put them on and I'll put an eye mask over the top to really press them into my eyeballs. It's just really nice. So although we have seen this a lot, I actually don't care personally. Other people may care. This we also had either in Pink Parcel or BettyBox. I feel like it was BettyBox though. And this is from the Beauty Crop, and it's fabulous flocking lashes, and it's a mascara. I have tried this. I didn't think it was that great for me personally, but you know, everyone likes different things. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to take it out of the packaging because I'm going to let someone else have a go. They might like it better than I do. Then we've got the thing to eat. Crispy crunchy coconut snacks, high in fibre, gluten free, and they're crunchy coconut chocolate things. I didn't like these, but that's not unusual for me because I don't really care for products like this very often. High in fibre, gluten free, no added sugar, part of your 5 a day. Snacks should be super scrumptious and monkey business free. Seriously, our snacks are never fried and are sprinkled with all naturalness to utter perfection. Munch happy. Also not going to open this because I'm going to leave this for my niece. I'm not a fan. Right, what have we got? Oh, have we had this before? We might have done, but I'm actually happy to see it. Beauty Papier green tea blotting paper, because if you've watched my vlog, you will have seen that I just got some blotting papers from Kiko Milano. And what do you think I've done with them? I have lost them already. I don't know where they are. I mean, if you could see around me, you would understand why they're lost, because it's a mess. I can't believe I've lost them already. Either way, I'm happy to see this. This is not a full size, and I'm sure that the full size is more than this. But I can't find anything that proves me right. It's just a feeling. Full size is $7.99. You can buy them on eBay for $3.99 in this size, which is 30 sheets. They have green tea, wooden hemp and natural pulp, and that is it. No parabens, mineral oil, phthalates or gluten. And on Amazon it says that they are vegan as well and just made of natural things. So I'm going to open it up. They come out, they just look like this. My new ones I've got were bigger than this and they were cheaper. I don't know if I'm oily enough for this to work at the moment. Anything happening? I think something is on there. Yeah, it's just not as obvious. I can see a little bit of oils on there, but to be honest, I wasn't that bad, was I? Was I? I don't think so. I wasn't that oily before I started. Well, this is handy. I can always use more blotting sheets, and it's good that they are naturally made. I will have to give them a try another time when I'm really oily to see if they work super well or not. But hopefully they do. Now the last item is this from Vito Marx. I always love getting a face mask, even if it's one I've had before, so I'm not too unhappy. Me and the balloon. It's a moisturising Korean face mask made with extracts of tea tree to clarify and moisturise your skin. What is this one supposed to do? I don't know. Clarify and moisturise. Clarify and moisturise. Just make it better, I guess. Of course, I'll give this a go. I don't think I've actually tried this one before, so that is good. It's new to me. May not be to other people, but I have been lucky and I've got one I don't think I've had before. Clarify and Moisturize. Just makes it clearer? Something? I don't really know. I think I know what the meaning of clarify is. You clarify a point, you make it clearer and better, so I guess that that's what this is going to be. Let me just add these up. I do apologise if I've had lipstick on my teeth this whole time while I've been talking. This is a lipstick that a lovely subscriber of mine, Chrissy Moss, sent to me. It's the Apocalypse lipstick from Rimmel, which I was really enjoying, but I've just started to notice it is bleeding into me. Can you see that just there? So definitely needs a lip liner if you ever try one of these for yourself, but I really enjoy the colour. Can you just see that on my lip? It's just going upwards. It's weird. But I really like the colour, so I'm just going to make sure that I wear it with a lip liner next time. I was like, is it bleeding onto my teeth? Possibly. I just had a look. I thought, oh no, done it again. Chatting away, not even noticing. So I do apologise. Anyway, I've added it up and this month's box is worth £33.16. So that's not horrendous. We're at what? Over twice box cost, so that is okay. Something I forgot to say about this is that it is made with argan oil, jojoba, and it's a waterproof mascara, and this is definitely cruelty free. So if you're interested, you might want to check them out. The Beauty Crop. Of course, I don't have a pamphlet either this month. If I was somebody else who'd never received these other items, would I be happy? Well, if I'd never tried this before, yes, I would be like, oh yeah, new mascara, that's fine. Hairbands, it's okay. It's not very exciting. I'm trying to pretend. Think 13, think 13. I'd enjoy my mask, I'd enjoy my blotting sheets. You know what? It would be okay. Apart from those nasty bites, I would be like, oh, this is quite nice. It's not my most maybe thrilling box, but it's nice. It's actually okay. I'm all ready to criticise them, but have they done anything that wrong this month? If you're a new person to this box, probably not. That's not the end of the world. That is okay. I think they've scraped through this month, but I need my booklet back, okay? Come on, next month, booklet or else. What do you guys think? Am I giving it to them easy, or am I correct that actually this isn't a bad box? If you were me at 13, or if you were you at 13 or 14, would you think this was nice? That's the question. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you will join me next month for another beauty box, because I've got to see if it's going to improve, don't I? And until I see you next time, I hope you take care of yourselves and find something positive in every day. Bye guys.